Good morning to all. English Medium Teachers Induction Program MTIP 1. Place Diet Chitradurga. Date 15/7/2020 to 19/8/2020. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world by Nelson Mandela. So, in our government will be changed the government school atmosphere to open English medium schools in Karnataka. Still, our district Chitradurga to conducted by NTIP 1 training class day 15/7/2020 to 19/8/2020. The training success in depend upon principal and coordinator because they are producing well MRPs, teaching materials, training halls and tasty lunch and so many facilities fulfilled. So we are all thankful to them. And knowledge is power of the world and knowledge is king of the world. More knowledgeable and friendly nature, motivating personality and attractive teaching in our all MRP sirs like Manjunath sir and Ranjita ma'am, Sundaraj sir and Arifa ma'am, Nagraj sir are very helpful to teaching to us. So we are all thankful to them. What about learn in 15 days? What are the activities we learn? How do conduct these activities in our classroom? So we are all watching videos. See here.
Good morning to one and all. It's me Radhika in front of you. MTIP 2021 started on 15/7/2020. Now I am going to tell about the day 1 report highlights. The model book consists of 3 MPs. That means to say proficiency, pedagogy, perspective. In the last year, government announced and started thousands English medium schools in government schools all over Karnataka. Manjunath sir explained the benefits and effects what facilities government gave to our government school. From this government school, strength increased and marginalized children come to school and parents attract towards the government schools because their dreams came true. And finally, sir told about stakeholders of the schools. Main important stakeholders are parents, teachers, students and officers and SDMC members. Thank you.
Day 2 report highlights. Ranjita ma'am throughout understanding young learners concept, throughout sing, dance, games, throughout stories, easy conversation, charts, TLM based activities we have to attract, teach simple to complex, throughout rhymes we can attract student easily in the classroom. Thank you.
Myself Sofia, I am from GMHPS Baramsagara. I am telling a report of it's a third day session. Today's theme is understanding young learners and learning styles. In this session, our sir explained 4 learning styles. They are visual, auditory, kinesthetic and tactile. Visual means learn well from seeing words in books on the blackboard and for word book. Auditory means learn from hearing words spoken and from oral explanations. Kinesthetic means they involved in classroom experiences. And last one is tactile. They learn best when they have the opportunity to do something by hands-on experience. Today's session is very useful to us because each individual has a unique style. As teacher, our role is to identify learners' professions for learning styles and help them to stretch those styles by examining and participating various learning strategies. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity and for sharing my feelings on second day MTIP training. Have a wonderful day.
Hello, I am Vidya from GMHPS Ramgiri, Vadalkere Taluk. Today I am reading the 4th day report highlights of MTIP 1. This day is about Karnataka learning outcomes, Kalivina Falagalu and taught by Ranjana and Sundaraj sir. RPs are deeply explained the learning outcomes of Kannada, English, Mathematics and EVS. Group activities and lesson plans also done. This is very important to our teachers that we have to adapt in classrooms in way teaching by learning outcomes. This well began is half done, so well knowing allows is best to teach in our class successfully. Then R.P. Manjunath sir done show some TPR activities. Thank you.
Right. I am P. Ramesh Naik, GHPS Gosigere from Chellakere. So today we have submitted the 5th day reflection report. What is education? It is a book learning? No, it is diverse knowledge one to another. Respected nodal officers, RPs and trainers. Today I am submit the 5th day reflections report. In this session we learned so many how to improve our first standard children's in English. When we enter to go to the classroom will be done. This session we learned code mixing and code switching. I improved the story in a big book, how to use authentic materials and non-authentic materials in our classroom, where we training success we adapted in our classroom situation. So that is the main intention. That intention is the giving only for the teachers training. When we go to our classroom and we submitted in the classroom, then successful. So it is enough. ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಆಸೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗೋ ಮುನ್ನ 4 ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.
My name is S.V. Vanitha Lakshmi. I came from KPS Osayaladu in Hiriyur Taluk. I told about the 6-day MTIP training. In that day, we learn about pre-learning, while learning and post-learning. Manjunath sir divided into four groups and subject-wise groups. He collect the activities when we teach pre-learning, while learning and post-learning. After this, he told about code mixing and code switching. It is most useful our young children. By using this method, we attract our children by bilingual method and mother tongue also, and you can attract our children. We can reach the target goal, and children also enjoy this code mixing and code switching. Thank you one and all.
Myself Tanuja P from GHPS Gurubarahalli from Chindurga Taluk. Now I can express the 8th day's learning sessions in direct. In that day, Ranjita ma'am, RP Ranjita ma'am are very good. Was introducing speaking and also listening skill. When we are, she introduced how the airport, in the airport, they listen the sounds and give the instruction. How we are aware of this, and we also know how the listening is very important to our young learners. And also she gives some videos to listen, and we are observed and listens very carefully. And this is also helpful to our learners in the first standard. And after session, she also introduced some speaking skill, how they frame the questions and yes or no questions, how to frame, and they make groups and someone speak and someone may ask questions to another group. In this activity, we can develop the speaking skills and also framing questions also. And finally, the last session also introduced some things, and she make one activity that she can give one things and some other person come and speak about that things, and they was unable that things
So he gave some like give duster, pen, and some period. People must come and easily speak this and easy words about that things. In this way, we can develop the speaking skill in our classroom. Okay, this is our 8th day sessions. Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity to me.
Hi, good morning to all. My name is Gaurama, working from HUDipura. I would like to speak. What about learn in 9th day? How was past the day? We don't know because we learn many more activities in day. First session, Sundara sir was conducted by role play activity, warm up activity, pair group activity, and identify the job activity. Next afternoon sessions, Harifa Banu ma'am was conducted by passing the cabbage activity, Vedas group activities, picture reading activities. These are activities focused on speaking language. So these are activities in adapting in our classroom situation. So definitely 100% children will be development our speaking English or speaking language also. Not only children, we are also developing our speaking language. I remember the one sentence still today. What about you talk butler English? Tomorrow you will be better English. So practice well. Go reach the goal. Thank you all.
Stories for young learners. In the day after 11th, Parvati ma'am discussed about the how to we apply the storytelling method in our teaching and how to it's build the language rich environment in our classroom. And Ranjita ma'am told about the ways of storytelling method concept used storytelling videos. Storytelling method is very helpful to us because students are like stories very much.
I'm Manjula, JMHPS Vadiyadi. I'm talking about 12th day MT2 training. In morning section, Mrs. Ranjita ma'am handled the class. She explains storytelling for young learners. She using various TLM and showing video clippings about the storytelling, ways of storytelling, preparing props for storytelling. We are all understanding the ways of storytelling, and we adopt in our school, improving our children about their thinking, imagination, and listening and speaking skills. And after the session, Mr. Manna sir handled the class. He uses various video clippings to explain sound-letter relationship. Is a very important step and reading and teaching. He analyzes sounds of letters, vowel sounds, consonant sounds, silent letters. Overall, he deeply explains about the phonetics and how we adopt in our classroom by easily children read and write the proper way. Thank you for everyone for giving this opportunity. Thank you and thank you.
Day 13th highlights of the report. Our RP Sundaras sir told about reading of young learners. He taught about high frequency words. Improves our reading strategies are prediction, visualization, making text to self connection, making text to live connection. We use authentic materials. Children easily identify the materials easily. Ranjita ma'am told about the wall and reverse way of teaching. We adopt these activities in our classroom. Reading and speaking skills are improved in our children. Thank you.
MT training first 14th day. So first class sessions by Ranjita madam. The writing for young learners. In the writing for young learners, different type of learnings here told by teacher or Ranjita madam. But one is doodling writing and dotting writing and tracing writing, coloring writing, drawing writing. Last we are go to writing letters. So there are types of letters here. One is cursive, common letters, capital letters, small letters. So how to write in letters of the cursive in the 4 lines, how to write the small letters in the 4 lines, how to write capital letters in the 4 lines. That's like some video watched by the teacher. So next we go topic the notes of lesson. How to needs for notes of lesson in the first order. So next go to the preparing of the TLM. How to TLM useful for the first class children. That is Namaskara.
We saw the many videos focused on 15 days learning highlights. We are take a oath to development our government school. Still I remember one Sarvagna Tripadi in Kannada. ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನೆಂಬುವನು ಗರ್ವದಿಂದಾದವನೇ, ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನೆಂಬುವನು ಗರ್ವದಿಂದಾದವನೇ, ಸರ್ವರೊಳಗೊಂದೊಂದು ನುಡಿಯ ಕಲಿತು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಪರ್ವತವೇ ಆದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ, ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಪರ್ವತವೇ ಆದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.